ZLINE dishwasher model DW-BLM-18 error codes. Clean pots and pans rapidly by using this ZLINE 18-inch black top control dishwasher. The 6 wash cycles accommodate varying cleaning needs, and the top control design prevents settings from being accidentally altered while creating a seamless look. This ZLINE 18-inch black top control dishwasher has a sanitize setting to help eliminate bacteria. Error codes. Code E1. Problem. During the water inlet step, if the flow meter can't detect the water after 4 minutes, the dishwasher will display an E1 warning. Fix. 1. Check the water supply. 2. Check the inlet valve. 3. Check the inlet. 4. Check the flow meter. 5. Check the pressure switch. 6. Check the drain. 7. Check the PCB. Code E3. Problem. Only appears in the factory mode. When the temperature can't reach the defined temperature after 90 minutes, the dishwasher will display an E3 warning. Fix. 1. Check the heater. 2. Check the thermistor. 3. Check the PCB. Code E4. Problem. When the water floods into the bottom and results in detective switch moves, the dishwasher will display an E4 warning. Fix. 1. Check the use of the detergent. 2. Check whether the appliance is level. 3. Check the micro switch. 4. Check the drain pump. 5. Check the amount of the filled water. 6. Find where leakage is. Code E6 or E7. Problem. Only appears in the factory mode E6 thermal sensor cut. E7 thermal sensor short. Fix. 1. Check the inlet water temperature. 2. Check the thermistor. 3. Check the PCB. Code E9. Problem. If one button is pushed for more than 30 seconds, the dishwasher will display an E9 warning. Fix. The warning will be resolved when the button is released. Code ED. Problem. If the dashboard detects that communication data is abnormal for more than 30 seconds, the dishwasher will display an ED warning. Fix. Communication data abnormal. Warning resolved when communication data returns to normal.